What do you mean there's always movement if you can't see it? So I'm going to give an example with a specific person. Say you are manifesting a specific person. It's been 6 months. You did not see any physical movement in your 3D. You start seeing your friends manifesting their specific person. They start seeing signs from their specific person, and you start losing hope because you did not see any physical movement. And you're like, what is going on? Why are they getting physical movement? And I don't get a single thing. I don't know a single thing about this person at all. It's been 6 months. Why haven't I seen a single thing in my 3D, any physical movement whatsoever? Because there's always movement happening behind the scenes. Because guess what? You don't know that behind the scenes, they could be thinking in their mind, you know what, I really miss this person. You don't know that they could be telling their friends, you know what, I think I'm going to contact them. You don't know that they could be driving to the spot that you two have been going to together and sitting there thinking about you. You don't know what is going on behind the scenes. From the moment that you desire something, there is always a bridge of incidents that takes place, leading you to your desire. Once you are living in the end, there is always a bridge of incidents that takes place. I myself have had no physical movement take place in my 3D, and then all of a sudden, my full-blown manifestation happened in my 3D. You do not need to depend on physical movement in order for you to receive your desire. Because there's always movement happening behind the scenes. You do not always need to see what is going on behind the scenes. If you order something on Amazon, you do not need to see them packaging up their item, putting it in the truck, and getting it on their way to you. You do not need to see what is going on behind the scenes. It's always happening. All you need to know is it's done, it's yours, and it's on its way. I hope this helped answer your question. Follow me for more tips.